The Manipur government has procured 12 more Toyota Innova cars for the state police. And Biren, the Chief Minister of Manipur, today handed over the Toyota Innova cars to Imphal West and Imphal East district police stations. Special police patrol units of the twin capital districts will use these vehicles. Biren handed over the car keys to the Superintendent of Police Imphal East, Jogesh Chandra Havisam, and Imphal West, K. Megachandra. Meanwhile, a state cabinet meeting was held today at the Chief Minister's bungalow in Imphal to take a final decision to notify on the sectors or areas where the COVID-19 lockdown will be continued or relaxed. Biren had said yesterday that the state government has received the directives of the union government on the relaxation of the lockdown restrictions in some parts of the state. He said that a decision will be taken at the cabinet meeting, which is scheduled to be held on Monday. The Ministry of Home Affairs today asked all the states and union territories to strictly follow lockdown measures issued by the centre to curb the coronavirus outbreak in the country. According to media reports, Union Home Secretary Ajay Vala on Sunday wrote a letter to the states and union territories asking them not to dilute the consolidated revised guidelines on lockdown measures under the Disaster Management Act 2005 in any manner. The letter also stated that the state and union territories may impose stricter measures than the consolidated revised lockdown guidelines as per requirements of the local areas. India's coronavirus disease COVID-19 tally rose to 17,265 with 1,553 new cases and 543 fatalities in the last 24 hours. The Union Health Ministry said this morning. The increase in the COVID-19 number comes on a day several states and union territories will ease the rules of lockdown put in place to break the chain of coronavirus infections. According to Health Ministry's COVID-19 dashboard, there are 14,175 active cases and 2,547 people have been cured, discharged or migrated. The Kerala government's decision to relax the norms of the COVID-19 lockdown today has urged the centre, prompting it to write to all the chief secretaries to stick to the guidelines it has issued. However, amid confusion over easing of norms, the state government has defended its decision, saying the centre was informed about it. The Union Home Ministry has taken strong objection to the Kerala government's decision to allow opening of restaurants and micro, small and medium enterprises in municipal areas, among others, saying it amounts to dilution of its lockdown guidelines. In one of the most horrifying mass murders in Canadian history, a 51-year-old white male went on a rampage lasting nearly 12 hours, killing 16 people, including a police officer, in the province of Nova Scotia, as per media reports. The killing spree, which began on Saturday night, ended on Sunday morning, when the shooter, identified as Gravel Workman, was gunned down by police in an encounter. Now, the Manipuri is COVID-19 free following both the patients have tested negative. And Biren Singh, the Manipur Chief Minister, yesterday said that the state no longer has any COVID-19 positive case. The second person who was undergoing at RIMS, Imphal, tested negative for the disease, he had informed. The State Health Department disclosed that the second person tested negative for the second time and is likely to be discharged soon. The 65-year-old patient is Jamaat Attendee. The first case in the state is a 23-year-old woman who have written from the United Kingdom.